Hey y'all, we're gonna replace the starter on a 2013 Dodge Dart Rallye. It's got a 1.4 turbo in it. Not sure if the start is the same on the rest of them, but the videos that I found previously weren't very intuitive. You had to take out half the engine, about the fuel lines, coolant lines, bunch of stuff on top. Don't need to do all that. You can access it from the bottom. The only tools you're going to need is a 1/2-inch socket and a flathead screwdriver, and then I believe it's a 10mm for your negative battery cable. I suggest taking that off because you're dealing with electrical on your car. Sorry the video is kind of choppy. I was just doing it as I was going along, but you should be able to follow pretty easy. As always, I suggest watching my whole video before you try to start any projects. And good luck to you. It was pretty simple. You got to be kind of flexible. If you got big arms, you might want to recruit one of your buddies. Unfortunately, it's a little tight in there, and it's a little tedious. You don't get a whole lot of room to work, but it is possible. And probably only took me, once I figured out where the bolt was to the top, maybe 30 minutes, and putting it back in probably about 5 minutes, and it worked great. So good luck to you guys and enjoy the video. Thank you. Alright guys, gals, whoever, I'm working on a 2013 Dodge Dart Rallye today. It's got the turbo, you know. So it needs a starter. Here's the new one. It's mounted in the car just like this. Okay, I'm coming from underneath so I can see this bolt hole right here. This one is not used, and then the other one is, you see, it's got threads. So the bolt actually comes from the opposite side. Now I'm gonna try and get up in there and show you. I seen another video, some guy said you gotta take out half the fucking engine, and I'm not doing that, so I'm trying to find a better way. So, you know, get under here, take all this shit out from underneath. Sorry, my creeper sucks. I'll show you where it is. Your starter is right there. Okay, and you see I already took the first bolt out. That's the bottom hole there. Right there. Now the other one, real fun. Let's see if I can get this camera up here. So it's on the other side. So this is the first hole. Not used. And then the second one. Focus. It's there, trust me. Okay, but if you feel up there, you can feel it. The head is on, like I said, on the opposite side as the starter. And it actually seems like there's some room, so let me update you if I can get it out. It is up here. Channel. It's right here. I put the socket on. I put the socket on already. It's easier. I couldn't get it on with the ratchet on it. Just wanted to show you where it's at. There's a little channel there so you won't drop your socket or nothing either. You kind of got to watch these coolant lines. But it's a 1/2 inch, both bolts here. And also the 2 bolts on the back of the starter are 1/2 inch. And then there is a plug. The little tab on top. If you look at the new starter, I'll show you in a little bit. You can see that, and I figured I'd pull the bolts out first because I can't really get to it, and then once I can move it around, I should be able to grab it. Sorry, don't mind the noise. I got a fan up there on top of the engine because my girlfriend was just driving this, and it is hot. Okay, we got it out. Okay, the plug. One of them lovely Mopar plugs with the release on it, so you can't just pop it off. That was the hardest part. I took the whole thing down and I finally was able to get a screwdriver to it to push that out and then release it. Now you see the other bolt? It went over there in that corner. I still got it sitting up there, so I can just toss it right back in. Now the center hole here and the starter, here's the old one. It's got this little bushing that sticks out. So even after you pull the bolts out, you'll have to wiggle that free. This right here. But came out pretty easy. I wedged a little screwdriver in there to get a little leverage on it, and then it popped right out. That's about it. I got it out on the bottom pretty easy. So the other first bolt there, second one over there, wiggle it out of the center, unplug it, and then you got your power, of course, right here. And then that's the inside of your transmission. Stick this back in there. Alright, new starter is all in. Let's see if she works. Oh, hold on. Didn't hook the battery up. Yeah, remember, always remove the negative battery cable when working on electronic portions of your vehicle. I don't usually do it, but for this, I don't want to fry anything else in this stupid ass car. So. If I can find my wrench.
You're the one that's making it happen.
Alright, for the moment of truth. Right up. Beautiful. Let's try again here. Love it. Oh, now I just need a reverse lockout cable, because it doesn't work. It's always something. Enjoy your repairs.